For this tutorial, we're going to go over running reports in the Evolution software, or as we refer to it as the remote platform. So first thing we're going to do is log in, obviously, and then we'll double click on our company. We'll go to Reports, Run Reports. For the most part, when we get report requests, it's primarily the payroll register that we're going to use. There are some other reports. Your cover letter is going to give you your total liability. If you do job costing is a great report. If you are a union or you do certified jobs, we have the certified payroll report. If you're looking for your time off, we have the time off register with hours. And if you have workers' comp, we also have your workers' comp report. So a lot of different things you can use, but for the most part, payroll register is going to give us all the info we would need in regards to unemployment claims, disability, just overall budgeting, and just gives us a real-time look at where we're at. So we'll click that box next to payroll register. We'll come up to report parameters. And now is where we can kind of fine-tune exactly what info we want. So it's going to show us all the check dates we've processed. So you can either choose by different years as to the info that you'd like. You can date range here, or if it was just simply this week's payroll report, you would just click the most recent week. You also can choose by different quarters as well. Under the miscellaneous tab, this is where we're going to tell the system how we would like to depict the info. So the group level is right now set to divisions, so you can run it by company, which is just going to be in alphabetical order, or if you have divisions, branches, departments, or teams set up, you can choose all the way down to that. It's going to break out all the info by each subcategory that you choose. Now, if we're running a payroll report for a long period of time, let's, for an example, for your accountant, you're running a year-to-date report for the end of the year, you're going to want to make sure that you click Show Terminated Employees, and you're also going to want to click Show Only Summary for multiple check dates. First one's pretty obvious. This is just going to show any employees who were terminated during that pay period, ensure their wages and taxes are included. This one, the Show Only Summary, this is going to go ahead and summarize any info. So again, for example, if you're a 52-week or weekly employee, you're going to have 52 boxes if you don't click this, if you ran for a year to date. So by clicking this, it's going to summarize the entire year. Just give us one box. That's going to show you exactly what the employee made, what they paid in taxes, what deductions are withheld, so on and so forth. In the employee filter, this is where we get down to what I was discussing in regards to the unemployment and the disability claims. You just need to report on one person, so you just click the employee. And then again, with the DBDT filter, you can actually run the report and just see one specific division. So if you just wanted to see what your gym teachers were doing, you could see exactly what that portion cost you in salaries, what it's costing you in taxes for the employer side. So it's going to give us a lot of very good info. So rather than running anything specific, we're just going to do a preview. We're going to click Run Report. It's going to tell us our task was added to the queue. The queue is this View button down here under Exit. We're just going to click View. Then this is going to be our queue. So this is going to keep a running tally of everything that we do, pre-process, process payrolls, running reports, and then we can click full screen over here so we can see it nice. So again, it's going to show us our division first. It's going to show what was paid for this current payroll that I selected. Any deductions will be found in the middle column, and over to the right is going to be all of our taxes. Now down here at the bottom, you'll see this is for Division 3 payroll. It's going to show us again our total for the two folks on top of us, or as many employees as you have. Any deductions are going to be here in the middle, and then over to the right, it's going to be what was withheld from the employee, and it's just going to go over to the next page. And employer taxes is $210.44 for that division. Each division is going to give us a total, and then at the very end, we'll have our company totals. This will encompass everything that was paid out in that period selected. So again, all of your earnings, all of your deductions, all of your taxes. If you have any further questions, or if you need any additional reporting set up, please reach out directly to your specialist. They'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks for tuning in.